cup-cottage. I'm starting over, because I decided to do this in English. Oh hey! Today I'm gonna make some spinach pie, or as we in Kosovo like to call, Pite me Spanak. But before we start, you have to clean the table. Corona's coming for us. Ow! This video was brought to you by hand sanitizer. Yeah, right. Now, the things you need. Spinach, some sort of bowl. Oklagia, dipsia, flour. We were cleaning the spinach. Welcome back. Now for the dough, we need 500 milliliters or half a liter of water. I'm using this because I can't find my measuring cup. Use a spoonful of salt. I hope that's salt. And then flour. Just put it until it's not wet anymore. Great descriptions. I guess we put a lot, because it's still hella wet. Here goes one more. Now I know why my mom's clothes always got white. You're supposed to beat it, I think. Now this is the part where you'll really thank me for cleaning the table earlier. You just put flour everywhere. And if someone calls for you, you're like, oh no, my hands are dirty. I can't do anything. Let me help you. Drop this thing on the table. Because why not make an even bigger mess? This never works. Damn it. Now you just drop even more flour to it. Make it rain. And you... Gdzież? Now I know why they buy 25 kilos of flour every week. So you cut the dough into 4 little pieces, into 4 even piles. Pite, jakie szef mądrzejszy motor. Now when you have 16 even balls, take more flour, each ball with oklagia, and open it up into a little circle. Now after you're done with your piles of balls, you take 1 stick of butter, put it on a thingy, and you melt it. In the meantime, while that butter is melting, we take our spinach thingy of sour cream, 2 eggs, a small spoon of salt, and depending on where you are, if you're in America, some cottage cheese will do. If you're in Kosovo, leftover feta cheese crumbs. It's the time when you really should have washed your hands. This would make some good ASMR. And once that butter is melted, you're gonna take it and get them balls oiled up. There it is. Alright, now that your butter is melted, you take your little circles of dough, oil them up. You want them all wet. Just stack the little piles of dough that you made and oil them up on top of one another into piles of 4 because I need 2 layers in the bottom and on the top of the pie. Don't forget to preheat the oven to 450 degrees. Probably is different in every country, so figure it out. And then you grab the little circles and you do this. You're supposed to spread them. You will oil up the pan, put it on here, and spread it evenly. Now you take a pack of Phyllo-dough from the store, or if you're Gezuar, gatujnshpi. Just take a thin layer, lay it on the pan, just a little wet with the butter, and you add another layer. Now the moment of truth. Bam! Spinach. Like a puzzle. And seal in all the edges. And the rest of the butter. And there you have it. Voila! You can bake it until it's golden. Pite? It's essential to eat with kos or yogurt. And that's it for today. You can make this pie if you want your kitchen to be like something exploded in it, because it'll take a lot to make this thing. Bye!